Let's make a Shea Butter Rose Essential Oil Hand Cream today. You can also do it yourself at home. Make it for the whole family. We prepare 2 beakers, an oil phase cloth, a water phase cloth. We take out the last rose hydrosol. We refined to replace purified water. I have typed out the detailed ingredients. Melt with low heat and water, coconut oil, and shea butter. All have good moisturizing and repairing functions. If your skin is dry, can you add a little more? After the shea nuts are completely melted, we slowly pour the oil phase cloth into the water phase cloth. Is that so? It's easier to form the form of oil and water. Emulsify with a bacterial machine. Babies without a germ machine. It is also possible to use an egg beater. Make it yourself and add some other moisturizing ingredients. For example, aloe vera extract. And what are peonies for? It's a natural antimicrobial. There are also whitening effects when the temperature of the lotion drops a little. Add a few drops of rose essential oil, which is good except expensive. Agitate. It smells so good with roses. After stirring well, wait until they cool and pour into the jar. All utensils must be disinfected before use. Make your own hand cream. Just use it up in about 6 months. This formula is not greasy at all after use. Very silky. If you stick to it, you will become milk muscle.